this afternoon for that presidential petition?
Yes, they were meant to hold a vigil here at the Supreme Court. We spoke to Dagoretti North, a member of parliament. That's Simba Arati. He was the advance team, if you like, coming to ensure everything was okay. But we now will wait clarity on whether they still intend to come here now that the hearing begins tomorrow. But we understand that perhaps they will still seek to hold that vigil because the argument, as we heard from Simba Arati moments ago, is that the police should not, because remember the commander, Nairobi County Police had indicated such vigils should not be taking place around the vicinity of the Supreme Court. But they argue that when President Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy had their cases at the International Criminal Court in The Hague, they had their supporters go there. They sang right outside the court. They prayed right outside the court. And that it's the same thing they are seeking to do, that double standards, according to Arati and NASA, should not be applied in this particular case. In fact, Arati went ahead to invite Jubilee supporters to join them so that they can also pray for their parties, because he says that everyone would want to have the court rule in their favor, and so that these prayers are to pray for wisdom and, in his words, the Holy Spirit to guide the judges.
Well, the Supreme Court, Sophia, only has 6 days to finish with this presidential petition. They were expected to begin today. So beginning the rulings, or the hearing rather, tomorrow.